So today our topic is some most important questions may ask in computer exams. So our first question is the Rajya Sabha can have a maximum strength of how many members? Answer 250 members. Next question, which are the best and the poorest conductors of heat respectively? Answer silver and lead. So our next question is from which sector does the highest sector wise contribution to grow domestic savings comes? Answer household sector. So next question is which state has largest coastline in India? Answer Gujarat. Next question, the first general governor of India was appointed under the provisions of which act? Answer 1833. Next question, Saraswati Samman is given annually for outstanding contribution to which field? Answer literature. Next question, in dry regions the leaf size of a tree becomes smaller. Why? Answer reduce transpiration. Next question, how many subjects are in the state list? Answer 66 subjects. Next question, the Sivasamudram Falls is on which river? Answer Kaveri. Next question, which reference to revolt 1857? Who lead stage to Jhansi in March 1858? Answer Sir Hugh Rose.